Pree Dis is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable. This is really great yogurt. Be good to your body. And by Tru Juice, premium quality juices naturally.
Final Fete, comedy, new videos, and the Digicel T20 schoolboy cricket are all coming up in this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Keep it locked for the next half an hour because Pree Dis starts right now. Guys, the location for this week's episode of Pree Dis is Mandeville. Now we're going to kick off the show with a party that every university student looks forward to. It all went down at UA Final Fete held at the Student Union. Let's check out the highlights.
This girl walking on me life with a crazy mountain love that you find. And not you freaky, but no girl can take me stride. No way, but the polygon been around. Number one's got wants everybody now. Everybody pulling out. Let's go down to the party.
It's really good in that party. Ready? Let's go. What you got him? Hey. Ready?
It's so much fun right now, legit. It's real fun. It's really fun.
Enjoying it, we're having fun. I'm really excited and enjoying this.
I don't know, honestly, Final Fete are going to a bag of things. I'm glad they're just early in the party still. Everybody are well vibes, everybody are drink like everybody just nice, you know what I mean?
So this looks like the Vibes crew. I want to survive. So tell us about Final Fete.
Final Fete, first time, and it's turn up.
What you love about it so far?
The vibe, everybody together. Yeah.
I don't know, say the energy is to me, I say. Everybody there here, even people from other university there, because you is the listen me, that's why we're there.
The vibe's been amazing. Like, I feel young again. It's been years since I left university, so I feel young again.
Everybody wanna be at the phone and come back in behind your pocket. Everybody is do so. Oh!
I always live up to my own expectation. I bring my vibes to the audience. If the audience feel my vibes, this is what I have to bring to them. And I feel the audience felt my vibes and they react the right way.
Hands up, sir! Me never eat a word of dinner. Let's see a goose in the dinner. Let's see a burger in dinner.
There are lots of health benefits from drinking Tru Juice June Plum. Listen up.
The Jamaican June Plum was introduced in Jamaica in 1782 by Captain Bligh, who brought the plant from Hawaii where it grew in abundance. The fruit enhances the flavor of other fruit drinks when mixed in. June plum juice is a good source of vitamin C and rich in iron. It is believed to have relieving effects on diabetes, heart conditions, high blood pressure, and urinary troubles.
And now we're on to our first commercial break. When we get back, it's all about our video premiere and comedian Leighton Smith as he sits in as our talent on the rise. We'll be right back.